Hello everyone, Nadim here with TXengineWerx. We've got a few cars. There's one up there, there's one over there, oil change, there's one over here, one back there. This is Tyler, by the way. Hey Tyler, what happened to your hair?
I don't know.
It started growing. Okay, so what are you doing, Gage?
Just oil change.
Just an oil change, huh?
Basically crap.
So what kind of oil do we use?
520 synthetic Nexos, especially for these.
So we always use synthetics, right?
Right, most of the time, like all the older cars, you would just do organic, or you want. Usually, if you want an older car to last longer, you put like additive in it, but you still have like what's it called? Not full blend, just synthetic blend.
Synthetic blend.
Yeah, like.
Now, what kind of additives do we use? Like BG products, I know. Are there any others?
Yeah, there's Lucas, Redline. Like personally, BG's my personal best because it's also a lubricator and
it cleans it out.
Yeah, it cleans it out. So it kind of over time it collects that that soot that comes around areas that you don't get when the oil changes out or anything, and it gets it out easy for it.
Awesome. So what is this truck? Is it a Vortec engine, like a 5.6 or?
No, it's a 5.3 V8.
Yeah.
Basically.
Man, nowadays they cover everything on the engine, huh? Can't see anything.
It's still Chevy. Still got that big body, square look. Square body.
Yeah, it's got a lot of room in there though, which is good.
Yeah, it makes it easy.
Yeah. So now, do these trucks need like grease on their chassis as well? Do they have any grease points like mine does?
Yeah. All engines have grease points.
Yeah.
But, I mean, we can lift it up and take a look.
Because I know some of the cars, they don't have grease fittings anymore. They're just like sealed for life. Which is like, if it goes out, you just replace it.
Yeah, basically.
Well, we should be able to see it right here if it's got grease fittings. Yeah, I don't see any grease fitting on that.
2006. Is this 2016 car?
Yeah, see, I think this is a 1500, isn't it?
Yep.
Yeah, 1500s might not have it. I know the heavy duties have them. So the 1500 might not have the grease fitting, which is fine. This is the car that was making all the noise. Something going on with the engine. I'm guessing just a tune-up or something. But the master tech is working on this. Yeah, Philip's working on that, so he's gonna hook up the computer to it. Hey, Philip, real quick, what are we doing with this Nissan?
Well, it has a dead hole on number 2. Cylinder number 2 has got a burn valve.
Oh, that's what we smell? Is that what we're smelling? Yeah. So what are you gonna do with that computer, though?
Well, I'm going to program this ABS module for the computer.
Oh, okay, ABS module program. You know, this might be interesting. Do you mind if we look over your shoulder?
That's fine.